Hello, good evening and welcome to all of you. Today I will give a speech in the power of persistence. The power of persistence. This word for consistent daily action, that word is the persistence, and it's probably one of the most underused and underrated words in the entire dictionary. The best definition of the persistence I have heard come from the Nate Gingrich, who says persistence is the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. In other words, persistence may not be glamorous, but it sure gets the job done. I think too many Americans today overvalue talent and undervalue persistence. We think that only the super talented people make it big in this country, but the thing could be further. And from the truth, for every successful person like Michael Jordan, there are thousands of the successful people who made it on thousands of the successful people who made medicine, determination and persistence. Colonel Sanders of the Kentucky Fried Chicken fame is a perfect example. Colonel Sanders did not even start his worldwide enterprise until he retired when he was over 16. He started shopping his secret chicken recipe, and he drove the thousands of the miles, stopping at every roadside restaurant along the way to see if the owner would buy his chicken recipe. More often than not, he had to sleep in his car because he couldn't afford the motor room. All in all, Colonel Sanders was rejected by the nearly 500 place before the kind restaurant owner took pity on him and allowed him to demo of his process. Today there are thousands of the Kentucky Fried Chicken branches in the country all over the world, but he was the famous because he is the best cook in the world, and he wasn't the most brilliant businessman in the world. If he had been, he would have owned the railroad that employed him as a labor for 50 years. But he was without a doubt one of the most persistent people in the world, and it was the persistent, not talent. It was the persistent, not talent, that took him on the high of his profession. A wise man once remarked, and perseverance is not a long race. It is many short races, one of the other. Think about it. It is the confrontation between the stream always win. As Shakespeare put it, must rain swear down the marble. The simple truth of the matter is that association persistent of efforts will always triumph in the end. Thank you. And now the second turn of the discipline. Discipline is the must. There is no doubt that human is like an animal and the most undisciplined person on the earth. Even in nature, nothing works without discipline. The animals and birds don't overeat and oversleep. They perform the daily task with the discipline. Have you seen a lion suffering with constipation? Absolutely not. Only a man keeps on consuming alcohol in excess, even when the doctor warns him not to. Keeps on smoking cigarette even when he knows that nicotine is killing him. He would eat sugar, sweet, oily food when he is a diabetes. And the discipline is must. If anybody is disciplined, so he can make it big itself. But if he is not a disciplined person, so he can't do anything. And so we should disciplined person. We should make himself as a disciplined person. Thank you.